Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. Hope you guys had a fabulous weekend. I was working on weekend, so this weekend coming weekend off, which is fabulous. Right guys, today I'm going to be playing with some embossing folder and do quite a lot of techniques showing you how to get different effects using the embossing folder as a stamping as well as embossing folder. Now this technique took inspiration from my YouTube sister Woolly Steph, but keep watching the video and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, before I share with you the project that we're going to do today together, apologies on my voice, but we got back from Centre Park just on Friday and then I was working all the weekend and I got a bit of a cold. It's not actually cold, it's just, do you know when you got like a snotty noise and you feel like you can't breathe? But I've not got any temperature, I've not got cold, but it's just... yeah, it's just my nose. So yeah, so apologies for the sound of my voice, but it is what it is. So right, so before we crack on today's project, I got some Memento, the nautical ink, which is stained all my nails and finger, and I washed my hands 3 times and it's still on, so apologies about that. Right, so today the inspiration of today's project came from my lovely YouTube sister, which is called Steph. Steph has got a channel, it's called Woolly Steph. We'll put the link down below. And as you know, I've got a mini series on my channel, which is part of Steph art journal that she created, and I follow along. So I've got a few pages left to do, and I will do a proper completely flip through of the art journal. And the series is called Woolly Steph Art Club, and there is a hashtag. So if you type the hashtag here on YouTube, hashtag WS Art Club, you can see all the videos for Steph herself and all of us that are following along. But again, I will put the link. I'm sure Steph has got a playlist on her channel, so I will put a link down below. Okay, go and check it. Anyway, so one of the prompt, I think it was called letterpress, Steph showed how you play with the embossing folder to create different background colors on the paper. So you put the ink on a deboss part of emboss part, and then you get the 2 separate texture. Before I show you, I just want to share a lovely happy mail that Steph sent me. So though this one arrived a few days ago, just literally before it came, before we went to Centre Park, but I got it on the night when we came back. It's a lovely little card, handmade with love by Woolly Steph. It's gorgeous because this is one of Steph's background that she made with papers, and then she scanned it, and I think she printed it on photo card, because the card is actually really nice and shiny. It's a New Year greetings little card, and I think it's absolutely so thoughtful and so beautiful. And then you got I got 2 ATC size. So this one says remember now, and it's got a beautiful leopard print background. Let me get out the package so you don't get the shine part of it. And you got a little super cute, look at still my finger, but I promise you guys I had washed it and it's stained there as well. But anyway, so bear with me with my blue fingers. And then on the back, that's the title, While Happy New Year, artist Woolly Steph. The info, Steph's birthday is the 8th of January. Oh yes, so this was New Year's, and also thanks for the present that I have sent. You're very, very welcome, and I hope you Steph have a wonderful birthday. Steph likes green, purple, butterflies, just like me, birds, just like me, natural, just like me, mixed media, papercraft, vintage journal making. And the day that this was made was January 2023. And the number is the card number 13 out of 25, and that is Steph details. So you can find that on here on YouTube, on Instagram, and that's her email. And then this is the second ATC, which has got a really sassy dinosaurs on the dinosaurs print on the background. It's called Breathe in Dreams. I wish I could breathe at the minute. Breathe in Dreams, Exhale Memories. This one is called Roar Happy New Year, and this is number 8 of a series of 8. Okay, I think it's really, really nice. But what I want to share as well while I'm here, and I left this on purpose because I wanted to do a full video dedicated to Steph. I want to share my Christmas happy mail. So Steph sent me a lovely Christmas decoration I have in my Christmas box last year, and I'm glad that this year I have got these. I absolutely love it. So Steph made this. Is a wonderful Christmas decoration. Is in clay. Look at the attention to details at that, and that is amazing, and it's very, very big, and he says, of course, Merry Christmas. I absolutely love it, and I treasure this with my Christmas ornament box. So thank you so much, Steph. I absolutely loved it, absolutely love it. And I'm sure Steph got a video on how she made this. And then this was attached to my Christmas card. I love it. It's another clay ornament. I love it, absolutely love it. And then I've got a little trinket, or like a pocket, what do you call it, when you empty your pockets and you put your things in there, that sort of things. But on here I'm going to use this because I have one when I put my lip balm and the lighter when I light my candles, so that's gonna be stay on my desk forever. And then also she sent me these gorgeous bubbles, and they're so, look at the detail, that's so shiny, and it looks like little painty papers. Look at that detail. And then it's very, very, very shiny, and then it's gold, and that's the back. So I've got 3 of those. They're very similar, but again, everyone is so different and unique. Look at that. Very, very, very nice. So thank you, Steph. So if you don't know Steph, please go and follow her on YouTube. Just tell them that I send you there, and show Steph some love and support, because she is my YouTube sister. Right, so thank you, Steph, for the inspiration for this video. That's one to show you in just a minute. So what I meant was, in her original video, when I put a link down below, Steph inked the deboss side. So this side here, when it's not, I cannot explain it, it's the flat bit, and then you put the inks, and then you put through the big shot, and you get the different backgrounds. Sorry, I had to pause the video, but I had to blow my nose. And really, you don't need to hear that. So this is when I keep my embossing folders. It's what my lovely mum made me. Thank you, mummy. So yeah, so I don't really know what you're going to see, but I'll attempt. So this is where I put some green on the background on a like goldish cardstock. There's pink on pink, so you probably see that the background is darker than the embossed part. This is just a trial, a massive fail trial. When I was trying to do a little ombre effect, but yeah, it just didn't work out, because you can clearly see the purple and the red. This is one of my favorites. It's pink on pink again, green on green. This is blue on a lovely salmon color. I love this cardstock. It's like salmon. I'm obsessed with this color at the minute. Love that. This is another trial, which, oh, it's this one, is red on orange. I'm conscious that you guys won't be able to see it. It works better on contrast colors, so the blue with the salmon. This is actually 2 colors, so this is a blue and that is a green on a green cardstock, and I think it works really, really well. Then there is another one with blue on salmon, and then those one, which is I'll show you in a minute. This was a first attempt, and I was really pleased, and I thought, oh, I'm going to make some project with this. And then this was a white and blue. So what I made I made 2 like tags which can be used as what do you call it, bookmark. I have used, where is it here, just bear with me one sec. Got it. This is the Open Sea Stampin' Up stamp set. So this year resolution is to use my 120 stamp set from Stampin' Up, so you will see them featured in my video. I'm not a demonstrator, but I love Stampin' Up and I have an addiction, I think. Little tip, if you like something full price, of course buy it from the website, but check eBay, because eBay is the best place for secondhand Stampin' Up stamps. So this came on the post yesterday. So this one was £3.50. Yes, £3.50 including shipping, so that was a real bargain. So I'm gonna do something with that, and I got a project I want to do with those. It's coming up next week. This is brand new, so you don't want to see my address. Never used, brand new, £5. So yes guys, check eBay. So we're gonna make some project with this button. So anyway, told you this, and so I play with this. I love this because it's like a proper vintage little maps or things, war map, thingy boat and that. And I have used this one there on a background, and I just layered with some blue and grey cardstock, and then I created this little elements there, and I used some rope, and then I just stamped that on a grey cardstock. So that's the same cardstock, and I love the grey and blue as a color combination. So that is the back. So that can be used as a greetings card or like a journaling card. So if you do like a journal, like a nautical journal, I think it's pretty cool. But the detail of the emboss, I love it. Love it. So this is one. What do you guys think? And then I have used same embossing folder, but I have used grey on a grey cardstock, and I have highlighted the debossed part with some white paint and blue, and I went back all over it. And that's one tag, and I just put some blue gems. Very similar. And this is another little smaller than this one. It's very small. And that's got a blue, a stamping on blue. I don't really know what you can see on camera, but I can clearly see this in real life. So yeah, love them. What do you guys think? Love. I love this technique with the inked embossing folder, so you can create lots of different effects. Just have a little play on the two parts. So play with the embossed part and play with the debossed part, and see what you like most. I'm just going to put a really quick short videos on how to make this, and yeah, and I will see you on Wednesday.
Gotta find my way to you, even though you're next to me. No matter what I do, your heart is drifting out of reach. Head underwater, I'm swimming harder, trying to keep this alive. Gotta find my way to you, now that our love has capsized.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching the video. If you like it, please don't forget to give me a usual thumbs up. I have shared a few years ago another video, and I will put the link here somewhere in the video, where I played with the embossing folders to create different techniques and different effects using wood papers. So I will put a link here for you guys to watch it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a fabulous week, and until Wednesday, stay safe and well. Bye.